have always been a customer of Lolland Automotive Africa for a year now, and all I've ever experienced is the best customer satisfaction in Lusaka. My Ford gave me terrible headaches and nightmares, and I always had terrible experiences with briefcase mechanics. But now, I can go miles without a problem.
This is why we encourage you to choose us at Lolland Automotive Africa. We don't brag, but we trust ourselves to do a very professional mechanical and bodywork for your Japanese and German vehicles to make your experience with us less stressful. We have moved closer to the Lusaka Central Business District. We are now in Thornpark, right behind Matebeto Restaurant. And this season, we are giving very good discounts and very good givebacks to our first 10 customers to visit the new location. Yes, you heard that right. So you can get hold of us via call on +260 777 577 191, or you can send us an email on lollandautomotiveafrica@gmail.com. Remember, the discounts only apply to the first 10 customers. Lolland Automotive Africa, your #1 automotive service care.